Hello friends and welcome to a review of the Glen Auto Clean Chimney 6052 that comes with motion sensor. This filterless auto clean chimney in black powder coated finish not only makes your kitchen smoke free but also reduces your efforts of regular filter cleaning. This chimney has a suction capacity of 1200 meter cube per hour that throws out all the oil and smoke, allowing you to cook effectively. This 76 cm auto clean wall mounted chimney is filterless for better airflow. It is suitable for 2, 3 and 4 burners gas stoves of up to 76 cm in width. This filterless auto clean chimney has GPSB painted body and comes with 2 eco-friendly power-saving 1.5 watt LED lamps to illuminate the cooking area. The chimney is equipped with a touch control motion sensor with 9 speed levels. It consists of 150 watt powerful brushless DC motor which is efficient, lasts long and makes less noise. This chimney is also energy efficient as it uses only as much electricity as required for its functioning. It also has an outside oil collector tray that can be removed to clean the melted grease, grime and oil droplets. The wires and motor housing of this chimney are made from metal that provides utmost safety. This Glen chimney comes with a 1-year warranty on the product and 7-year warranty on the motor. For further information, please visit the product details page.